Today's recipe is cannoli muffins. Okay, we're going to mix all our dry ingredients. So we have our flour and our orange zest. Now these cannoli muffins, they don't really taste like a cannoli. Nothing can taste like a cannoli, but this has very similar flavors. And then we'll add our baking powder. Our baking soda, our salt, and our cinnamon. And we'll mix that all together. These muffins are great for breakfast or brunch. Okay, now we'll set this aside and then we'll work on our wet ingredients. Take our milk, and our oil, and our sugar, and we're going to mix that all together. And then we're going to add an egg. And then we're going to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. You don't need to drain it. And some vanilla. And we're going to stir this all together. Then we're going to combine our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. And you just want to stir it until all the flour is incorporated. You don't want to over stir it, otherwise your muffins will become dense. So we'll just stir this up. Then we're going to add our chocolate chips and our pistachios, but make sure you reserve some chocolate chips and pistachios for the top. So we'll add in those pistachios that we've chopped up, and mini chocolate chips. If you don't have mini, you could use regular chocolate chips. Stir this all together. And we'll put this in our muffin tin. These make 12 large muffins. You could use liners in your tins if you like. I just make sure that I spray mine. And once you fill up your muffin tins, we're going to sprinkle the top with our reserved chocolate chips, and pistachios. Then we will place these in a preheated 350-degree oven for around 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. When they're cooled, you can dust them with some icing sugar if you prefer. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.